Good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching us from. This is Lynette Solar Travels. Here again, we come on our daily routine. Today we have good news again. Here we have a new feed for our chicken. This is made manually, guys. We took fish meal plus maize. So it looks like a flour. You can see it looks like a flour. So today we want to start introducing them to this new feed, at least to cut on cost. And again, what we need to consider if it is safe for our chicken. We have our person on the ground. Kennedy is with us here. So Kennedy kindly, because of sunshine.
Hello guys, it's Kennedy again here, or you can call me AK Dollar Farm. Well, so me again. We'd want to help with the mixing of feeds. So essentially, just as Lynette has said, today we would have wanted to introduce the birds to new feed. So they are actually getting to transit because now they have been using growers. So this is locally made, and as you know, in prevention of pecking in birds, it's always good that you get to mix it with, a given medication. So with me here is BCP. BCP. It is rich in calcium.
DCP.
Yeah, it is rich in calcium and phosphorus.
Yeah.
So essentially calcium is 20%, then phosphorus is roughly 18%. So this will be helping us to prevent pecking in birds. So to avoid cases of indigestion and whatever, we thought it wise to carry with us the DCP. So we are going to mix it together, so you get to know how to do it.
Yeah. Come with us, guys. We're gonna do this together. For any advice, kindly on the comment section. What do you think? Is it good for the health of our active chicken? And at this, we considered this because it's cost cheaply. It's gonna reduce our budget. We're gonna mix it with the current feed, that is our kienyeji mash
Yeah.
premium. That is what they are feeding on currently. Kienyeji premium mash fugo. So we're gonna mix it together. With the time, they will adapt to this.
So one thing that you have to tell our viewers is that cheap is always very expensive.
Yeah, exactly.
So it isn't like we are fully opting to do the local brand or the local feeds.
Yeah.
But we just wanted to supplement. So just as we did say that, we totally discourage using local feeds because the main cause of coccidia is the use of local feeds. All right. As you understand, most of the composition, it's usually omena, or you call it the small fish, the Victoria sardine. Yeah, so it's not very effective. We don't really encourage that because it's always hard for you to treat the fish that is from the lake. So essentially, when they dry up and you get to mix them together with your locally made brands to do the local feeds, you are exposing your birds to coccidiosis. So we don't encourage that. Anyway, here we are, and just as we said, we are going to add DCP, which is rich in calcium and phosphorus, so that we prevent what we call pecking in birds. All right, so stay tuned. As you can see now, my brother Collins is trying to now talking about the ratio. I'm going to do it out of experience. I don't have a standard scale, so I'm just going to use or to handpick the recommended amount that we are going to mix with the feed that had already been grounded. Okay. So this is my approximated amount because we did 20 tins, all right? It was 20 tins, right?
Yeah.
That was grounded. So we have to mix it uniformly. Okay, consider adding water. Copy me. Copy your power spade. Yeah. So in the meantime, we are enjoying poultry. Poultry is not just but an hobby, but it's business. And to every other person there who is salaried or maybe in a formal set of employment, it isn't bad to be in such occupations. But we highly encourage that you get to do something outside your job environment. Yeah, so poultry is nice. I know there are lots of politics around poultry, but how about you just get to start? Maybe you start, keeping 2, 3, 4. So out of the results, you'd be pretty well encouraged to even do more and more. Okay. So as you see, my brother is already back. He's trying to have a clear mixture of the DCB and the grounded feed. So hopefully we get to achieve a uniform solution. Can actually bring it together.
Guys, you can see we have to make sure it is properly mixed. Properly mixed. We take our time to mix it properly. Meanwhile, after while we are still mixing up, you can see they are faring on well. You can see them. They are doing great. They are eating. The progress is so good. So far, so good. I can't complain. After the medication we did the other day, they have a good progress. Yes, yeah. They have a good progress. They are drinking water. They have cleared the feet. Some are just resting, under the shade. They feel good. They're under the shade. I don't have food now. Hey, is there something inside this thing, or what are you eating, people? I don't have food. What? Hey, just see what is happening, guys. They thought I'm bringing food, not at time. Supper time is 5. Yeah? They take breakfast and supper. Oh, they're eating my leg. Oh, they are very hungry. Not yet time, guys. Our newbies are here. Our young ducks. Just see them. They have grown so fast. They have grown so fast. Let's see. They have grown so fast. Each and every day there is a progress. Just the other day they are very small, tiny. There is a progress each and every day. And it makes me happy. Yes. They are 6 weeks today. They are at 6 weeks, guys. You can see. 6 weeks. 6 weeks. They've grown so big. A happy farmer when the birds are active. La, 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 la. Happy farmer. When you see them move easily, guys, they are very active. Just see. I feel happy when I see them moving that way. They are not gloomy. They are very active. Don't come out. Yeah, there we go. They are still feeding on chick mash. I don't want to go through any shortcut. They are still feeding on chick mash and chick mash alone until they reach 2 months. After 2 months, I'm gonna introduce them to kienyeji mash. That is the growers. Kienyeji mash, that is the growers. And this one, they are at the 3rd month now. 3rd month. And we are introducing them to kienyeji. It is fish meal. A mixture of fish meal and maize. Sana leta nini? Ash. So we're gonna mix them together. So I will update you on the progress. I just hope they're gonna adapt to this.
They will. And just as we always see.
Yeah, guys, this is what they are feeding on currently. We call it kienyeji mash premium. Yeah. And we went for pembe. Pembe is the best. So we're gonna mix them together. We just want a smooth transition. So we're gonna mix, gonna mix them together. then we introduce them to a new feed. Paki kwamba there we go. There we go. You have to ensure it is properly mixed up. Yeah, that is the only way to go. No shortcut at all. For a farmer to be safe, avoid shortcuts, because one mistake will really cost you. Just a simple mistake, a small one, can really cost you a lot until you regret. So advice to all farmers, just avoid shortcuts. When it comes to feeds of the birds, avoid shortcuts. Advice for free. So we're gonna be keen for the first 1 week. We're gonna be very keen on their behavior, on the droppings and everything. So Collins, for the all of this week, we're gonna check how their droppings are looking like, how they behave, just to ensure we are safe. You can
Remember to use the liquid paraffin.
liquid paraffin.
Assist them with the digestion.
Yeah. So advice, guys, we have liquid paraffin. So when we are going to introduce them to this new type of feed or a mixture, we're gonna do liquid paraffin that is going to assist them in digestion, because this is like a new thing to them. Liquid paraffin is very important. It helps in digestion. Siko? Yeah. We have liquid paraffin in our store. So we put it inside their water, their drinker, to ensure that they drink it together with that water. Every farmer should try this. It's a good one. Three months today. I told you, the earlier you do it, the better. Book your space, make your appointment before festive season. Festive season is coming. Everyone is doing the booking earlier, just to make sure they are not left outside. Do your booking at the comment section. Do your booking. Mano Mane Collins. Mano ni ya quarantine. Ilitoka. Tena nikanyao tukucha. Mrudishe na hapo. Mrushe tu hapo. Kanye. Anatokanga na wapi? We should deal with the space. Kama ni hapa, can see we have some grams here. And they're very hungry. But but not yet time. So we're gonna work on the spacing. So some might come out through the spacing. I don't have food. Not yet time. Until supper time. Not yet time. Until 5 p.m. That is when we're gonna give them the feed. They ate in the morning around 8 a.m. Then we're gonna wait until 5 p.m. See them, they are very active, very active. Some are resting there, the shade. So guys, keep tuned. Just make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lynette Solar Travel. Don't forget to subscribe. You like, share. Any advice you want to give a farmer like me at the comment section, I will really appreciate. Always read all the comments and reply. So any comments, any question, guys, feel free at the comment section. Any advice, piece of advice, I really love advice, people. I take in advice. They are very important because no one is perfect. Yeah. So watch our videos to the end. Like, share, subscribe. And more videos on the progress are coming soon. Right, guys? Let's see, guys, the way our chicken are responding to the new feed. That is fish meal plus maize flour. Yeah. So we mix it with the what they've been eating. That is kienyeji mash fugo premium. So we mixed it. So it was a new we were introducing it. That is to a new feed. So let's see how they've been feeding straight away. Let me just disinfect and show you. You have to disinfect before you get it. So let's see, they are going to adapt to the new feed. Yeah, you can see they've already eaten. You see them, they're really waiting for that feed to drop. They are responding to the new feed. They have cleared everything. Just see. They are responding to that new feed. And the young ones are here. They are very active. Very active. They are eating. Some are just jumping. Some are relaxing. They've taken supper. They've grown. Guys, they're at 6 weeks now. And these ones are at 3 months. 12 weeks. That is 3 months, guys. You can see they've grown. Let me see if I can hold one and clear the weight. Yeah, they have weight already. They have weight already. They have weight already, guys. Wow, at 3 months they have weight. They are well fed. They are well fed. And I know by next month we've reached midpoint. By next month we are at midpoint, guys. That is 4 months. again, I can't wait to reach 6 months. 6 months, that is egg point. Six months, that is egg point. Yeah, I can't wait to start collecting my eggs from my farm. Wow, joyful. They're very active, they're well fed, they've grown so big. They always clear their feeds in 30 minutes or less than 30 minutes. The feeder is empty. Less than 30 minutes, the feeder is empty. They're competing with each other. Let's see. Some are climbing on top of the feeder. Madina no kaka mano idho malo. Ano gichiemo gi ewie malo.
Moko idho gi ewie. Sore manie nitie gi ewie kanyo.
So guys, I will keep you posted on the progress, the way they are, because we've just introduced them to a new feed, that is. So keep tuned, watch our videos to the end, and remember to subscribe, guys. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lynette Solar Travels. We are here together with Mom. Mom is just watching how chicken are eating. Mom, will you say hi?
Hi.
You love watching the way they are eating?
Yes.
It's interesting. She's just standing here to watch the way the chicken are feeding and jumping. It is very interesting, guys. So I will keep you. Jessie. I'll keep you posted on their progress on the new feed. I know they are going to respond to that new feed, and they're gonna grow very fast. If you are a new farmer, try this fish meal and maize flour together with Kienyeji Premium Mash. You'll see the result. Watch our videos and see the results, guys. It's late and some people are still eating, guys. Some people are still eating. I guess the feeds today was tasty because what we did with when we were mixing their new feeds. Yeah, I'd shared with you guys. While we were mixing their new feeds, that one was we had the fish meal and the maize flour together with what they currently eat, that is Kienyeji Premium Mash. So we mix it together and they've really enjoyed, guys. You can see some are still eating, but it is time to sleep, to go home. Some are standing at the door. I guess today they have really enjoyed their meal, because in that meal we mixed it with a supplement called DCP. We mixed the meal with DCP. What is DCP? I know my subscribers will ask, what is DCP? DCP is a supplement. It is just a dietary supplement used for the prevention of calcium and phosphorus sulfates deficiency in all animals. Yeah, in short, in short, it is just a dietary supplement used for the prevention of calcium and phosphorus deficiency. Yeah, the lights are on. And the importance of this calcium is to avoid pecking. Guys, pecking in chicken, they avoid eating each other. I know majority know what I'm talking about. Pecking is when they eat each other. Wanakulana, wengine wanakula mguu ya wenyewe, wengine wanakula kichwa ya wenyewe. They lack calcium in their body. So when they lack calcium in their body, they will peck. So this supplement will help them. It is mixed inside the feed. It will really help them to stop this pecking. So it is an additional in their feeds, and they have really enjoyed. So Garin, please, Garin. So Collins, when are you changing the sawdust? When are you changing the sawdust? On Wednesday morning. So we'll put a little bit much, at least in the, if you do, I can see we didn't put much. So you see here we don't have sawdust here. So you put a lot in that. In 3 days you can extend. So the upper one should go down and the down one should come up. So ili hata hizo droppings zisikuwe zinashikana. So yeah, it's time to eat, guys. It's time to go home and sleep. And they can't stop eating. Go home. Go home. So guys, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, Lynette Solar Travels, and travel with me in the journey I'm moving into. Yeah, like our videos, share, and any new idea, please, where you can help this farmer, at the comment section. You're welcome. So guys, keep on tuned, watch all our videos and subscribe. Right? Okay guys, let us try and take them in because it's already getting dark.